Hello everyone, my name is Nestor Falcon, and in this video you will learn how to monitor Google Cloud Platform with OI Collector and AIOps from Broadcom. We will see how to monitor the status of my Google Cloud Platform services and resources, providing an extended visibility with a combination of metrics, logs, and topology. The first thing we should do is to access to our SaaS platform and select the OI Collector to download. In this demo, we will deploy the OI collector in a Linux machine. So we go to the download area, we select Unix and Linux, and you can see how we can enable different technologies to monitor like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud Platform for this demo. So let's click on the GCP options. And here we have the options to configure our OI collector. We can select a predefined configuration or add a complete new one. We can define profiles with different configuration options, but in a nutshell, we need to put the client ID, client secret, monitoring interval, and what kind of services we want to monitor. We can choose to do this configuration now and download the agent pre-configured, or do it at a later stage. So I'm going to choose a predefined configuration and select download the agent. So we can download it manually, or for a Linux environment, we can also get the wget command to download the agent directly. So let's do it. So I have downloaded the agent to my Linux environment, and now I have also extracted that, and we can see the different config files of the OI collector. So in first place, we can access to the extensions, GCP extension, and we can look in detail the configuration that we have specified before the download. From here, I can modify the credential access. I have masked my client ID and client secret, and we can also select what kind of services from Google Cloud we want to monitor or different projects, and we can be very granular to select what kind of resources we want to monitor from GCP. This is the command we would use to install the OI collector. I have already done that, so with the status we can verify that the agent is running and collecting data. So let's now check in our AIOps platform what kind of data and how to consume the monitor GCP monitoring information. So we can now access to the AIOps SaaS platform, select DX Operational Intelligence, and in Performance Analytics, we can see the different resources we are monitoring using the OI collector, like compute instances and SQL instances for this demo. So now, for the purpose of this demo, I will just quickly create a service that contains elements for the Google Cloud Platform, also from the on-prem cloud VMware and some network components. To do that, I'm going to create a service. I'm going to filter by GCP project name. And I'm going to check which elements I have in this project. Perfect. So I can see I have Cloud SQL and compute services and some basic resources running there. So I'm going to add this to my service. I'm going to add another subservice from a VMware data center. Excellent. And finally, I'm going to add the network part, which is also located in Paris. So I have the three components of my service. I'm gonna group them under a parent called App Hybrid Cloud. Excellent. So this is the service I have created with elements from Google Cloud Platform, VMware, and also network. So as I said, this is giving us an extended visibility of our hybrid cloud, and we can also go from app to network to quickly identify the root cause of my service degradation. So finally, I want to show some of the out-of-the-box dashboards we have for our cloud monitoring. In this case, out of the box, we're providing this Google Cloud Platform dashboard where we can filter by project, region, and we have full access to see the status and the health of our different resources. In this case, we can see the metrics from our Google Compute Engine resources and also Cloud SQL. But we can monitor some other services from Google Cloud like file store and storage. We could also enrich this dashboard with elements from application, network, or even other cloud solutions. But in a nutshell, this is what I wanted to show about how we can monitor GCP with our OI collector and visualize the data in AIOps from Broadcom.